I invite you to eat more green foods to improve your heart health and to detox. Do you ever feel yourself feeling drained or depleted, and no matter what you do, you just feel lazy and lack energy? Well, get ready to feel more energized and refreshed once you discover the benefits of green foods for enhanced energy, detoxification, and a little bit of extra vitality. You're gonna know how to recharge your vitals, aka your batteries. Welcome back. In this section, we're gonna explore the color green, which symbolizes nature, harmony, and growth. Green foods are not only a staple in healthy diets, but are also packed with nutrients that detoxify the body and support heart health. First and foremost, let's address chlorophyll, which is found in green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula. Chlorophyll helps detoxify the body by binding to and eliminating toxins, which in turn supports liver function and improves digestion. And another fascinating and little known fact about chlorophyll is that it's vital for plants, yes, but it also has a similar molecular structure to hemoglobin, which is the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. The key difference is that chlorophyll contains magnesium and hemoglobin contains iron. This similarity has led us to the use of chlorophyll and chlorophyll-rich foods like spinach and parsley in alternative medicine for their suggested blood building and detoxifying properties, and sometimes even earning it the name green blood. Then there's folate, which is found in greens such as spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Folate helps reduce homocysteine levels in the blood, lowering the risk of heart disease, and it plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and repair. This makes it essential for cell division and growth. And because of this, adequate folate intake is particularly important during periods of rapid growth such as pregnancy and infancy. In fact, folate is so critical for preventing birth defects, particularly neural tube defects, that is often fortified into everyday foods. So if you are a woman who's pregnant or trying to be, make sure you are consuming lots of leafy greens and an adequate folate intake. And you're probably wondering, how can eating greens give me more vitality? Well, there's many ways I will. Green foods such as green tea, avocado, green apples, these are rich in antioxidants, which can help boost your overall health. And when you're healthy and functioning, you're already at an advantage. And you've probably heard the saying, clean, lean, and green. That's because green vegetables are high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. This also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can aid in the prevention of diabetes. And with stable blood sugar levels, your energy is also more balanced and you won't be dealing with sudden crashes due to drops in insulin levels. And many green vegetables like spinach and kale are great sources of non-heme iron, which transports oxygen to your blood cells and your tissues and helps to prevent fatigue and gives you a little bit of an energy boost. Then there's magnesium, which is found in foods like spinach and Swiss chard, and this is crucial for energy production. It helps convert food into energy by activating adenosine triphosphate, ATP for short, and this is the primary energy carrier in the body. If you eat lots of green veggies, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, you consume vitamin B vitamins like folate and vitamin B6, which are essential for converting food into energy. And then there's my personal favorite. It's that green foods have an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance out pH levels. A balanced pH level can improve overall energy by helping the body to maintain homeostasis, allowing for more efficient energy use and maintaining an alkaline diet that might help preserve muscle mass as you age. And in an alkaline environment in the body, this can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as osteoporosis. So, I hope you're inspired to incorporate a little more green into your diet. If you would like some recipe inspiration for some lean, green, and yummy recipes, such as cilantro lime guacamole, a green goddess bowl, a green goddess smoothie, green matcha pancakes, spicy chimichurri, or even a green pumpkin seed pesto, I am so happy to share them with you. all you have to do is go check out the workbook for the full recipes, nutritional information, and to complete the exercises to test your comprehension by matching different green foods with their benefits. That's all for now. I'll meet you in the next lesson.